Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we are going to see that how to install the Laravel and VS Code in our machine. So installing the Laravel by using two ways. First one is that the Laravel installer, and the next one is that the composer create project command. So before installing the Laravel on our machine, we need two things which are already installed in our machine. First one PHP and second one Composer. So install PHP by using the XAMPP server. And in previous video we saw that how to install the Composer. So first we are going to the Laravel official site. So search here the Laravel and press enter. This is the Laravel PHP framework official site. Go to that link, this one. Now go to the documentation. So see here, this is the latest version 8.x. If your system is showing the another one, then select here the 8.x version. So see, this is the installation process. See here. So system requirement is that we need the minimum PHP 7.3 version. If you want to know what is the version of PHP, then go to the command prompt and simply enter the PHP-v. So see, in my machine there is PHP 7.4.7 version. So if you want to run the Laravel 8, then we need to at least PHP 7.3 version or above. Then see the installing Laravel. So first one is that via the Laravel installer. This command, composer global require Laravel /installer. So by using this command, we install the Laravel in our machine. So first we copy this command, go to the command prompt, paste here, enter. So by using this command, we install the Laravel in our machine. So wait for some time. So I have already installed the Laravel. So that's why they're showing that these files are already installed. So if you are installed the first time, then you have the some different scenarios here. Okay. So how to check the Laravel is installed or not? Just type the Laravel and press the enter. Then showing here the Laravel installer 4.0.5. This is the Laravel installer. If your machine showing the Laravel is not found, then you need to set the path. See here, this one. If you are using the Mac, then you need to set the path like this way. If you are using Windows, set this path like this way. If you are using the Linux, then set the path this way. So I am using the Windows operating system. So I am showing you how to set the path if Laravel is not showing in this command prompt. So go to the My Computer, right click here, go to the property, go to the left side, advanced system setting. This is the system property window. Go to the third tab, advanced, here environment variable, and see this is the path. Or here there is one more option here in this system variable path. So go to anywhere. First we double click here. Now here showing the different paths. So this one app data roaming composer vendor bin. So this is my composer vendor bin path. So see in this official site, app data roaming composer vendor bin, you need to set this vendor bin path to this location. So this is one. So here my system showing already one composer vendor bin path. Okay. So go to this location on your system, create the new and simply paste here the vendor bin path here. Then save these changes, OK, and close this window. Restart the command prompt and simply type here Laravel. Okay, then we have the another option, this one, via the composer create project. So by using this command, we directly create a Laravel blank project. So see, composer, then create project, this one, Laravel, and this is the application name block. For example, here block is the application name. If you want to change this name. So we are creating a project by using two ways. First one here, if you are installing Laravel properly, so this is the one command, Laravel new, and pass here the project name. Or via composer, we also create a one blank project. So we have two options. So we are creating the two separate blank projects. So see the first one, Laravel new block. So we are going to this another drive location D:, and we need to create a project in that drive. So I can use this first command, Laravel new, and for example, this is my project name block. Enter. So they take some time. So wait for some time. So all the project related files are downloaded from internet and they create a one internal project structure. So after creating this project, we are going to install a one editor VS Code, and we are opening this project in that editor. Now see here, application is ready. Okay, so we are going to this drive location D drive. So this is my block project and this is my directory structure. Okay, so we will see in next upcoming videos what is this directory structure. Now we are creating a project in another way. So there is one more option here via composer create command. So we copy this command and we also create a new project, and for example this is my block 2 project because In previous command, we have already created the block project. So now new project name is that block 2. So see, enter. Now see here, we are creating the another project by using the another command. Now see, in this same drive, this is the block 2 application, same directory structure. Okay, we can create the Laravel project by using these two ways. Now we are going to install the VS Code. This is our the editor. So go to the Google, search VS Code download, go to this official website code.visualstudio.com. okay, depending on your operating system, download this file. Now I am using the Windows, so click here. This is the 64-bit operating system. Okay, so click here Windows. Now this is the 60 MB setup file, so we will wait for downloading. So now my downloading is finished, so double click here. I have already VS Code. See here in taskbar, this is my VS Code icon here, but I am going to show you how to install this. So click on I accept, click next. If you want to icon in your desktop, then click here, create a desktop icon. This is the add path, so this is by default, check here. Okay, click on next, then install. So launch Visual Studio Code, click here finish. Now this is my VS Code editor. Now I have already opened the previous project. So this is my previous project directory structure, but you are showing this only welcome window. Okay, so if you want to open the existing project, then click here open folder. So we are going to this D drive. We have two projects, block and block 2. Select any one block and select folder. So this project structure is loading here, this one. So this is my project name block and these are my directory structures. So if you want to the console window, so click here the status bar, this one on left panel, this one, this number, any one number here. So this is my prompt. So here there are some problems, outputs, and this is one terminal. So this is like your command prompt. So if you want to display the version of a PHP, then simply click here PHP-V. So this is the PHP version. If you want to know that the Laravel, so PHP artisan version. So here we need two hyphens version. So see, this is my PHP framework 8.11.2. This is my latest version of a Laravel. So in next video, we will see that what is this directory structure. Okay. So till if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box, likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Bye bye.